Here we are waking up in the Algarve. We're in Lagos today.
You want your sunglasses?
Yes, please. So I don't know where the other ones are. We're gonna go pick up Jenny and then head down to a couple of the beaches and see what that's about. This was a nice little hotel. Yeah, it's a comfortable bed. The internet didn't really work and our TV didn't work, so. But you know, whatever. Yeah.
I just like to watch TV while she sleeps.
So we had to just suck it up this time.
We're hiking down to this point.
Good to go. Okay. That's it?
And then we're going down to that beach. And then you hike back up and hike over here. And then that street there leads down to this big beach. So. Not the second layer. I think Eva was a horrible idea.
Eva, you should wear a second layer.
I'm ready
You're gonna
to strip
get
off
cold.
this jacket already.
We're gonna go attempt our first beach. Yeah, yeah. Oh! What?
Oh, that's so cool. These little things. That's what people don't get. These little things.
These are the days that I'm so happy I'm not scared of heights.
Or just not even adventurous enough to get outside of your element.
Yeah.
I mean, clothes
We're
and-
changed and we are going to head over to the stairs and we're gonna go jump into the grotto here in the Algarve. It's gonna be so cold, but I'm so excited. Alrighty. Do not worry about it. Go ahead. Turns out you cannot swim down here in the grotto area or whatever it's called. But there's a boat guy down there. I don't know how much he's charging, but it sounds like it's a half an hour long boat ride to go see the arches or whatever. So, you know, that's an option. These stairs are not for the faint of heart. I wish I would have counted how many there were. No idea. All right, according to Jenny's Fitbit, it was 10 flights of stairs.
Yeah.
Mystery solved. We were up here at about, what, 9:15 this morning, and there was nobody, absolutely nobody. About,
everything open?
yeah, about 10 o'clock. Man, this entire parking lot filled up.
What did you taste?
Breakfast of Champions. All right, Ponta de la Piedade. Next attempt, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it's already cold. Look how red this is. Ah, love it.
Okay, now run. Eva, you stop.
It's beautiful! It's beautiful!
Everybody's gone.
See, you're gonna want to be cool. I like your hair.
Everybody's done.
Why would you start a thing with me? Her face turned like a lemon around.
I'm with my feet.
Oh, I got you.
Where is he? Oh,
Isn't that
oh,
it?
that's not an urchin. Well,
What is that?
I don't know what that thing is.
Anemone.
I'm not ready to leave. This is a really cool place. Come here if you can. Per travel team tradition, we're off to find an Irish pub to have a tasty foot medicine at.
Time at all. It doesn't hurt to try.
So Eva's gonna try it and see if it's open.
Well, that's the thing is it can only be open with a latch.
Yeah. Tell us how you really feel, Eva.
I want to go drink at an Irish pub. I don't even like whiskey. This is gonna be Roy and I.
I don't know why it's so funny.
Only one big difference. I carry the backpack. Whoa!
Orange.
They're super cool. Do it. If you do those, I'll do these.
Oh my god, those are amazing. Oh, those are amazing.
Mm.